made a spin. Wow, really? Whoever's the... Let the magic begin. 50x extra. Baby, 500...
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Night 3, 2x5. Do we have some formal amounts here at Crazy Time? Let me know in the chat. Pachinko time! Ho ho ho! Hey hey hey! There we go for first time in session. We go for Pachinko Universe. Hey! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Pachinko. So let's go. Let's not go home. Let's go to the Pachinko. I think that's much better destination. There we go. We get a 5x. Okay. 7, 10, 15, 20, 200. Oh, ho, ho. That 200 looks like wonderful cheesecake. Hopefully you're gonna get that. Of course, best of luck. Get the 200. Yes, of course. Oh, it kind of goes on that direction. Okay, okay. This is gonna be close, 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 close. And
this is the amount of money issued: 1,290,424 euros.
oh, Davido's happy. Davido's. Well done. 11,568 plays, just like I'm showing my appreciation. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh. Oh, that was nice. Somebody stop me. Ha 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 ha. We're back. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're back. Yeah.
At least who served the bonus during a session, not some kind of highlight. Guys, I'm sorry for disturbing. Have to give you another bonus. Not that the previous Crazy Time was pretty bad, but it's all about improvement, so let's go. A few doubles and money back, right? And I guess 3 colors are back. The famous blue, the peaceful green, and the sunny yellow. Let's go, guys. Pick it up, I don't know, regarding your mood, maybe. You like that blue color, at least majority. How about 200? I don't see a reason why not.
This is the amount of money issued: 422,583 euros.
So majority got 20x on the blue, almost 7,000. Yellow delivers tonight. 20 for Walter, 18 plus for Yessi, and bet more than 14,000 for Walter. Amazing 9,600. Japanese 9,600 as well. Pretty fine. Let's put it that way. Hitting some heater. Hitting some heater right now. Not bad, you had 3,500 times multiplier. On a cash hunt. We will have a lot of work to do. We will have a lot of work to do. We got 2x on Crazy Time. Can we get it 3 out of 3? Oh, snap? No. Stay, thank you. Who was expecting something like that? Definitely not me. Definitely not me, alright, let's go. Well, I guess no need to hesitate. Good luck. Woo, woo. Alright guys, as always, 3 flappers for you. Green, blue, yellow. Pick it up. Ladies and gentlemen, majority going for the blue. 200! Can we? a little triple double, double double for the yellow. Good job, green. 100 for you. 20 for majority. And another spin for yellow. Yellow, let's go. 400. Yay!
This is the amount of money issued 533,174 euros.
Well, at the end of the day, not about 1,000 of you with money. 20,000 for 2 of you, to be honest, even for 3 of you. 200x. Let's go, yellow! 20 went for the blue, 100 for the green. Pretty decent anyway. Wow. Good job, keep it up. And for those who just joined, glad to see you. Welcome aboard. You are in crazy time, and this is pretty crazy.
The TOPSLOT. Man, why are you still lying? Please, John.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,227,436 euros.
500! Yes! 3,155 winners, guys. Man, stuff's crazy today. I don't know, red door LED was on fire. Crazy time with the multis. Like, if we're getting... Alright. Are you okay with numbers? Well, if you're placing your bets on them, of course, 7 times cash in. A lot of people are betting on numbers as well, as they're placing their bets on them. Also, that might be a cash hunt. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Did we just land on 7x cash hunt? Madre mia! 7x cash hunt, guys! Woo! Everybody! Let's get into it! 700! Let's go! Oh, it started working. It didn't even want to work! 700, baby! Look at the amount of 700s there. Ladies and gentlemen, happy Saturday! I guess we just landed on the lucky hour or something. Happy hour, lucky hour, call it whatever you want, and get 700. Now everything's gonna depend on you. Either you're gonna get a 700. I mean, any multiplier is good there now. Any multiplier. My leg just hurts. That's why I'm...
This is the amount of money issued 746,962 euros.
Hundreds? Oh man, I'm curious to see.
We'll play through it. Start for evenness and betting time starts again. Get ready and place your bet if you want to continue. Last crazy time was with the after 150x. No, there is chat matter, just currently that person on a break, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm trying my best to update you with the statistics and everything. Cash on 7x. Come on, you can, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I got something to tell you. That's a cash hunt with a 7 times multiplier. Oh my, we had crazy time with a 3x during this session, and now cash hunt it is with a 7x. Boom! It's a 500! It's a 500! Now, wait a second. Multiplied by 7, it's a 3,500x. Who asked me what was my highest multiplier ever here? It was 2,500 before this reround. Boom! This is indeed the record of the day. 3,700x on a line. Okay? Okay, now, can I have your attention, please? You see the board with all of the symbols there, right? I'm shaking. Sorry. Now you gotta choose one of them, but only one. Remind you that symbols and multipliers are not connected with each other. Vicky, calm down. Cash on 7x. How can I calm down? 3,000.
This is the amount of money issued 577,896 euros.
3,500x, I meant to say. But congratulations, 37 if you succeed with that exact one. 8,720 Sentinel G. You got yourself place. 36k as the final result of John. Congratulations. That was the best round of the session so far, right? But the session is not over yet. Huh? Ooh, that was wonderful. 3,500x. This is literally, from now on, the highest multiplier I've ever had here.
Yeah. And yeah, the lady was saying my favorite basketball player is Michael Jackson. I was like, nice. 5x on pachinko, and guys, just because Ria is here, we have to give you that pachinko with 5x multiplier. It's time to make some steps. It's time to make some money. Let's do it, Tony! Tony, we need the yo in a chat. Because Steven will take care of the victories over there with the W's. There you go, Steven, right? So yeah, what do we have over here? Give me a second. 15 will be the lowest one, obviously. Quick mathematics, 25, 70, 500. Gee, I'm not that quick, but the biggest one will be 500 over here. Oh yeah, baby. How do you think? Can we get 500? Or maybe let's just double it and get 1,000. Sounds like a deal. Wait. Where I am. Wow. Bit trippy over here. Never been so high in my life. Don't get me wrong, guys. Well, I like 500. Do you like 500?
This is the amount of money issued, 3,345,700 euros.
500x on pachinko. Wow. More than 8.1 thousand of you with money. 120,000 up in 70,000. Second best win. More than 60,000 as a third one. Hello there. Put those W's in the chat because...
Thousands. Shoot, black, crazy, Zach, congratulations. Best of luck to you in the next round. Enjoy. Noye, you sent me a lot of hearts. Aww. How sweet from your side. A lot of hearts to your back. Let's are close. We made a spin. Wow, really? For her birthday today. 50x in Chinko. Hey, pachinko. Hey, pachinko time. I like Coca-Bongo nightclub. Have you heard about that club? More! Yes! Woo! I told you. This is how you're doing. 50x extra. Wow, rock your body. Doom, doom, doom. Hey, doom, 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 doom. Let's check those multis, right? Starting with 3x. 10, 15, 20, 40, 50, double. Let the magic begin. 50x extra. Baby, 500. 2.5kx, double, 1kx, 2kx, 350, 7... Mamma mia! Hey, that's gonna be crazy for sure. Max multi 2.5kx. Good luck. And that was double, right? Maybe let's catch the double. So the whole wall got a double? That was double.
This is the amount of money issued, 13,085,651 euros.
Shock, shock, surprise, surprise. Do you like it? For sure, no doubt. All of you win. 2kx, 13,645 players until this round. Oh my, that's triple digit, 1,000 move. Everything to you. Compliments top 5. Thanks, pretty girl. Thanks to you for your amazingness. Always be awesome as you are. Back to clarity and start. Enjoy. You made a history. 2x and 2. Good luck. Hearts from my side to all of you. Happy springtime, ladies and gentlemen. And that's due is 2x. Oh.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society. As a means of exchange in trade, the definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.